Alright, so far we drew 2 of them. There's only one last one, and that's Eagle Owl. Also, this guy is the fluffiest on the team. Not only that, but he's also the fluffiest on the crew.
What's right? Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Gekko's power lizard stumbles and it's okay. He's got the tail swipe that keeps the baddies away.
There he is.
He's got the muscle.
There we are.
It's PJ Masks. Heroes unite.
We have all the PJ Masks, PJ Riders. Here are the marks on their chests. That represents the PJ Masks. And they're all finished. There we are. That's how you draw the PJ Riders. I'm proud you all got to see me draw these amazing fighters. Get ready, guys. There's gonna be more action like this. Coming soon, there will be a 6th season coming in 2023. And there will be new characters, new heroes, new enemies to fight. And it's all here. You'll get to see them all drawn up and all ready for action. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.